Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to clear the cache in Prestashop in 2024. So clearing the cache is very essential for ensuring that your store runs smoothly and that all the changes that you made, maybe disabling something or enabling something, are properly reflected on your store. So let's dive into the steps to clear the cache in Prestashop for 2024. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you will need, of course, to access the back office. Of course, first of all, if you don't have PrestaShop, I made a video on how to install it on a hosting provider, of course, if you want to, or locally on your computer. You can simply go to this URL section on a browser, whatever you have, and simply type install like so, install like PrestaShop on your local host. Click on this first link as you can see, and here you'll find the steps on how to install it on your local host if you're interested, because if you install it on your local host, it's going to be totally free, not if you go to a hosting provider. So as you can see, highlighted steps here, the details of every step here. Once you finish those steps, you'll have access to your store, as you can see, the front office and the back office. Because in this tutorial, we'll need to access the back office by clicking on Manage Store, and you'll have access to it. So once you click on it, of course, you'll need to look for advanced settings. You'll find it on the left panel. Then performance. In their performance settings, scroll down to Smarty section. Then you will find options related to crashing and templates. Below these options, you can find Clear Cache button. This button allows you to clear your store cache with just one click. To show you more visuals, we'll look for another article example. So clear cache on Presta, sorry. So Presta shop as example. So here they show you even the version of 1.7 and 8 manually, and an example is safe or something like that. So here, how to clear it first of all. So first of all you need to do, as we said, go to advanced parameter, as I said to you, performance, and there smartly click on clear cache button at the top right corner of the page. Click on smartly cache from PrestaShop, and you will see a confirmation message that says all caches cleared successfully. So all you need to do after that is simply refresh the page you worked on and check the changes. This is if you want to do it like on the back office, which is the uh, option that I told you about. About manually, to be honest, I don't know about this, but let's see about this article. So as you can see, you need to connect to the servers via FTP or file manager in cPanel. Navigate to the cache folders, which is going to be var cache div for development mode or var cache prod for development production mode. Or IMT/TMP, which is temp files. So erase all the files and folders inside these directories, those two, and refresh the page you worked on and check the changes. That it seems how to delete it manually. So if this didn't work, you can simply just go and do that, because this will work like for sure, but it's fine if you don't want to. Of course, you can simply click on it here to see like how's the back office looking like. So basically you'll have you'll need to access your back office, and basically you'll be able to do it without any problems. So other than that, recommended type for clearing cache, as you can see, some recommended things that you may want to know. So clear the broadcast, sometimes the cache issues, etc. Use different browser device. Another way to check if your site changes are visible. So use a private or incognito window, change your theme temporarily, and use a cache plugin as example. Cache Prestashop plugin or service can help you manage your optimize your cache settings and clear cache Prestashop automatically or with one click. How to delete cache and 1.6? I guess that's not even necessary because no one is using that. But if you want, you can simply just go and access this article and read it out. As you can see, it's safe to clear or delete the cache folder. Of course, it is safe, as you can see, so you can delete without a problem all files inside this cache. It will be very good to do. So once you locate the cache, clear the cache, verify the cache is cleared, of course. Even while you're in performance settings, it's a good idea to review and configure your cache settings. You can enable and disable different type of caching, such as smart cache, media servers, and even more. You can adjust even those settings based on your store needs to optimize some performance. For example, enabling smart cache can improve page load times, and of course, but you may even need to clear the cache more frequently when making some changes. and schedule some regular cache and cleaning as example to keep your store running smoothly. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.